Hi guys, today we are going to look into this awesome selfie stick and tripod combination. It has huge potential because usually when we buy such combination, it either doesn't work properly as a tripod or doesn't work properly as a selfie stick. But when we look at the description and the specs, it really has everything for both of the functions, and it has also all the adapters for phones, for GoPro, also for normal cameras with the normal 1/4-inch tripod mount. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything what you get and then how we can use it. So here's the box with the description. What's also very important is that we have 360 degrees rotation. We have Bluetooth remote control also built in. And so his content comes also with this instruction manual. You can see everything. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything. As far as I can see, everything is straightforward, but you never know. So here you have the phone mount. Yeah, it looks really good. Also wide bracket, really solid. Then here the GoPro mount, the remote control. Then we get even a really nice carry bag, and then the selfie stick tripod itself. Of course, it's a little bit heavier than an ultra-light selfie stick, but I think it's not too heavy, definitely not. It has very good grip. And so we can either use the remote control separate or integrated in this selfie stick tripod, really nice. We have even these screwed soft rubber pads underneath, so they have a safe stand. And so we just pull it apart, and you can see everything's really nice, high quality aluminum here also on top. And when we release it, we can pull out the whole tripod, and you can see everything solid metal, solid, really nice aluminum till the top. So here we have it from the floor, and you can see how high this goes. Of course, when we have it in the full height and then a phone or camera on top, it doesn't have the same stability anymore. So I wouldn't recommend to use this outside in a lot of wind with the full extension or so. But if you keep it rather short, then there's absolutely nothing to complain. Very stable like that. Anytime we can pull it back down here and secure it. You can see we can also change the diameter of the foot. We can use it like that or fully apart, so it has very safe stand. Yeah, really large. I have even some full-size tripods which are shorter than this combination tripod and selfie stick. And so on top we can either use the standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. I love this screw here, which we can use just with our normal hands. I have seen this once before, and I'm using this since about 1 year, and I love this thing. This is my preferred solution how to secure normal tripod mount. And it's not only because it's very convenient, it's also very versatile, so I can secure it in any position. You can see the GoPro is now pointing to the front, and so I can just untighten this a little bit and turn the camera to the right side and secure it without rotating the foot of the tripod. So you can see we have it exactly in the same place. You can move it up here, just untighten here a little bit, turn it around, secure it again in any direction, and we have the foot in exactly same position. This is only possible when you have such a mount. This is absolutely awesome, my preferred solution. And then we have this normal GoPro mount, so we can remove it here, place the GoPro on top and put the screw back. So works perfectly for this GoPro. And then we have the phone mount on top as an option. Also nice in this beautiful white. We can untighten it here. And so I can open the screw, add my phone here in between and secure it again. So you can see it has a very safe hold. What we also can see is that the brackets are really wide, so I can even use my phone with the case. With a lot of phone mounts, we are always struggling when we are using a thicker phone or a phone with a case. Absolutely no problem here. And I also love this mount here. Of course, it doesn't work with a spring. Maybe it takes 2 or 3 seconds more to adjust it. But the first plus is that you can, when you want, apply more pressure, like when you're using it outside, so it's super safe. And the second thing is, if you don't want to apply apply much pressure. If you have a very sensitive phone, you can just secure it very loosely. And if you want to use this remote control, we can just turn it on. We go to Bluetooth, select this AB Shutter 3, pair it, and then we can go to the normal phone or video app and just press the shutter release button here, and you can see, so it either takes a photo or starts and stops video recording. So there's absolutely no doubt, this is my new favorite, no matter if I need a selfie stick or a tripod. By the way, of course, as a selfie stick, we can open this screw, turn it around, and then we can use it easy as this selfie stick exactly how we want it. We can always secure it fully here. Yeah, everything makes a really good impression. There's really nothing to complain. So if you're looking for an awesome tripod selfie stick combination, or maybe you're just looking for an awesome tripod or an awesome selfie stick and you want to have an option to use it also the other way around, then this is the perfect thing for you. I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.